Everybody, I'm Ingy.net and now with hair. So, pretty cool, huh? Okay, so this isn't a lightning talk, it's a Lingy talk. Remember that. Earlier today I gave a talk about TestML. TestML is a new programming language for writing tests. These tests run in any programming language. I'll show you some right here. Okay, so we have 4 lines. We have a hash bang line at the front, at the top, and it's running TestML. We set 2 variables, one to hello and one to hello to world, and we check that the interpolation of TestML is equal to hello world, and this is the label for the test. So let's run this test in 5 programming languages. Okay, so it works in Perl 5 under prove. It's great. It works in Perl 6. So much for this conference. It works in Python too so far. And it also works using Python's backend framework, which isn't TAP. And it works in any backend framework. I just use TAP for all of them. I mean, I provide TAP for all of them. It works in JavaScript, and my personal favorite, it runs in CafeScript. TestML compiles to Lingy. Lingy is another new language. Sorry. It's an extremely simple one. It's Lisp plus JSON. So here's that program compiled to Lingy. Sorry, the JSON's a little hard to read, but you can see it's just arrays of expressions. Okay, so the TestML compiler is written in CafeScript. It's the cleanest syntax I've seen. It transpiles. That means compiles from one language to another to JavaScript. It runs on the server and the browser. I'm going to prove that right here. And we're going to. So I made a playground for all this. You can run hundreds of tests in this playground. You can run the output in TAP, but here's the compiler output in Lingy in the middle. Okay, enough about that. So I love Acmeism. I started it in 2006. Modules are the thing that make languages great. Publish all of your ideas, your modules in all languages, but what's Acmeism's holy grail? To write a module once and publish it everywhere. So in 2018, we can get Acmeism. If Lingy can run anywhere, which I just showed that it can, then I write a module in Lingy and I upload it everywhere. But Lingy's unwritable. Introducing CafeScript. If I fork CafeScript to CafeScript with a press of a button, then I replace the JavaScript writing component, which is one file, a module, with a Lingy writer. Then your module runs everywhere. Acmeism is alive, and we're done. Or more appropriately, we're done for everybody in all languages. Okay, so CafeScript 2.0 is now your ideas are enjoyed everywhere. But every language requires a Lingy eval module that runs the code in an Ingy eval loop because it's, you have to interpret, run through the Lisp. But that's an easy problem to solve. This code will be slower than native code. So next we make a Lingy to native compiler, so I can go Lingy straight to Ruby, so it's pure Ruby, or I can go Lingy to C, or I can go Lingy to JVM for the JVM languages, or I can make a Lingy to LLVM, etc. QED, right?